bridge we ran into the day, trying to catch wild birds with our tiny bare hands and an open door cage. Like many adventurers, I soon discovered that fate wasn't always a friend. On the swaying trees, gravity conjured the scar on my knee, and a lesson remembered that the wilds belong to no one, and the child nature will harm us all in the end. We sat on that stone by the ocean for years without fear, without thinking at all. We cried at the news that it became a burial ground when the sea came to call. And that night the seagulls were glowing like angels sent down to comfort our souls. With the moon and two new burning bright stars aglow, all the waves eternally rolling, and the wild birds belong to no one, and the tide times forever finding us all in the end. Are we the only ones who don't understand? We're but shadows of blood and eternal end. Are we the only ones who don't understand? We're just shadows of shadows of blood and eternal. Weaving through miles of darkness and canyons, in need of just getting lost.